What's up guys, it's Katie here and I have two surprises for you guys today. The first one, it's kind of already obvious, is that I have 3 iPhones to unbox for you guys today, but that's going to come later. What I do want to talk about is that I am making an official return to YouTube. It's going to be permanent. I want to do this. This is something I've wanted to do for years. I've been doing it since I've been in high school and I've been on and off, and as you can look back at the videos and tell, I am very inconsistent. So with that being said, I am definitely working on being way more consistent now, and I think I have all the resources and all the right support I need to go forward with this. So I do want to say thank you for those of you who have stuck around for the long ride over these 2-3 years I've been doing this. And thank you guys to the new people who are planning on staying. I'm really excited for you guys, and I'm hoping to see where this YouTube path goes. So yeah. So back to the iPhones. So today I have 3 iPhones, 2 iPhone 11s. I have a 128 gigabyte purple iPhone 11, and I have a 128 gigabyte green iPhone 11. I want to say that these are very pretty in person. I don't even know which color I like more. I really don't. I do want you guys to know that I'm not being sponsored by anyone. I bought all of these myself. Now, the third iPhone, as you guys might have guessed, is one of the Pro models. And you have the wildly popular new midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so here we have the 512 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro Max with a new black box. And here we have the 128 gigabyte iPhone 11 and its standard box. I have the 11 in purple and the 11 Pro Max in midnight green. So let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, Apple has included this easy to remove plastic covering. When you take the top off the box, you can see that the back of the iPhone is facing up this year. Also, there is no plastic protective covering on the back of the phone. What makes this different from the 10R is that the back has a frosted glass finish for the camera cutout, which now has 2 cameras, as well as a glossy finish for the back of the phone. This year, the iPhone Pro line comes in a black box instead of a white one. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a glossy finish for the camera cutout, which now has 3 cameras, but a frosted finish for the rest of the back. Now the phone definitely feels heavier than my XS Max, and the back of the phone definitely feels more slippery than my 11 due to the frosted finish. But other than that, I actually like the new changes. Alright guys, so we're going to be doing an in-depth unboxing of this iPhone 11 right here, and we're going to be looking at everything that comes in the box, as well as getting a closer look at this iPhone and seeing what it's really all about. So here's the green iPhone 11. Even next to the purple, which looks like it should have been named lavender, the green iPhone 11 still looks more like a soft blue than a green. The iPhone 11 has an aluminum chassis and re-engineered glass on the front and the back. Apple has moved down the power buttons and volume buttons slightly, which makes them easier to click. You also have your SIM tray on the right, and on the bottom, you have your Lightning USB port and your mic and speaker grill. I would like to point out that, as I mentioned earlier, the back of the iPhone is facing upwards on and in the box, which is unusual for Apple, who usually designs the boxes with the front of the iPhone facing upwards. In the box, your iPhone 11 will come with a SIM eject tool, some important information and Apple stickers, as well as an instruction manual. In the box, if you have an iPhone 11, you'll receive a 5-watt power adapter with a USB to Lightning cable. If you have a Pro model, you'll receive that fast-charging 18-watt adapter with a USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Both phones, however, will come with a Lightning connector earpod. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Now let's get this baby started and move on to the Apple Clear case. The case comes in a container that is easy to open. You just peel off the back and you have your clear case. My first impressions of the case is that I love how the material is hard and durable enough to feel premium. A lot of clear cases have a very plastic feel, which is very soft and bendable, and it gets yellow quickly over time, and I don't like that. This case can be a fingerprint magnet. However, it still manages to feel both nice and smooth in the hands. And when it's not smudged over with fingerprints, it'll make your iPhone look amazing. Alright guys, this just about wraps up my YouTube video for today. In this video, I have unboxed the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max. I have unboxed and gave my first impressions on the Apple Clear case. And I have announced my return to YouTube. So without further ado, if you don't mind, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.